Imagine waking up and finding out your credit score dropped overnight, and you had no idea it was coming. That one hit could cost you a car, a house, or even a job offer. But here's the good news. It didn't have to happen. In today's video, I'm breaking down credit monitoring, what it is, how it works, and how it could have saved your score. Whether you're rebuilding your credit or just trying to protect what you've earned, this is the tool most people overlook. Let's fix that. Part 1. What is credit monitoring? Credit monitoring is like having security cameras on your credit report. It tracks changes 24/7, and it warns you immediately when something suspicious shows up. It won't stop someone from trying to mess with your credit, but it will give you the chance to shut it down before the damage is permanent. Whether it's identity theft, a sudden drop in your score, or a late payment reported by mistake, you'll know about it instantly instead of finding out weeks later when you get denied. Part 2. What does it actually monitor? Let's break down exactly what credit monitoring watches for. New accounts opened in your name. Hard inquiries, when someone pulls your credit. Changes in account balances or limits. Payment status updates. On time, late, charge-offs. Changes to personal info like name, address, or social security number. If any of that happens and it wasn't you, that's your signal to act fast. Dispute it, freeze your reports, or report fraud. Part 3. Why it protects your credit score. Here's the real value. How credit monitoring protects your credit score in real life. 1. Catches fraud early. Fraudulent accounts? You'll see them before they hit your score. That's the difference between a 3-minute fix and a 3-month disaster. 2. Fix mistakes before they do damage. Sometimes lenders report wrong info. A late payment you didn't make can drop your score by 100+ points. Monitoring lets you dispute it fast. 3. Watch your utilization like a hawk. Spending close to your credit limit, you'll get alerts. That helps you keep your utilization low, which makes up 30% of your score. 4. Track progress while repairing credit. If you're rebuilding, credit monitoring shows when items are removed or accounts update, so you know your plan is working. Part 4. Best tools for monitoring. Here are a few tools to get started. Whether you're balling on a budget or going premium. Free options. Credit Karma. Credit Sesame. Your bank or credit card may offer basic alerts. Paid tools for serious monitoring. 𝐦𝐨𝐫𝐞. Smart Credit Identity IQ. Aura, LifeLock, with identity theft protection. Free tools are a great start. But if you're actively rebuilding your credit, the paid ones give you all 3 bureaus: score tracking and dark web monitoring. Here's the truth. You can't afford to not monitor your credit. With fraud on the rise and credit being tied to everything from jobs to homes, you need eyes on your report at all times. If this video helped you, drop a like, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button. Let me know which monitoring tool you're using or thinking about trying. And if you're serious about credit repair, grab my free DIY credit repair guide at 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐴𝐻. It's got the letters, the strategies, and the tools to get your score right. I'm here to help you build, fix, and protect your credit, one move at a time. I'll see you in the next video.